Hello and welcome to Disney Theory. Now, I know why you're here and you know why I'm here. We're here today to talk about these new Valentine's Day Star Wars Funko Pops. And I am very sorry that I don't have the R2-D2 one, but we all know how the Funko shop works, and as soon as something cool's on sale, it's gone. Well, anyways, I got the main four. Right here. And we're gonna discuss these guys. Now, you may be thinking, Disney Theory, why on earth are these the most underrated Funko Pops out of all the Funko Pops right now? Well, let me tell you. These have been online and in-store for a while now. Currently they are in like Hot Topics and stuff like that. They've been on the Funko store. And these are one of really the only Funko Pops that are still up there for sale as of currently. And now the thing is, everyone skipped out on these four. They skipped out on the Stormtrooper, they skipped out on the Darth Vader, they skipped out on the Yoda and the Chewbacca one. Because everyone was like, these are just kind of like the reboots of the Christmas ones, except now they're all pink and they have hearts with them and, you know, they're Valentine's theme. Well, yes, kind of. I understand where you're coming from. But where these separate from all the other ones is in the little things. So for instance, let's take Aang on the air scooter here. So normally on a Funko Pop, you get this circle over here with the number on it, and that's pretty average. Now on these Funko Pops, instead of the circle, they have a heart. So as you can see, the number is inside this cute little heart. So this is one area where I think the small things just kind of made a big difference to me with this set. Also on the top right here, they have a little to and from right here. So as you can see, it says little to and from, so you can, you know, send it as a little gift, which I think is super cool. So it's not just the boxes that are very unique. It's also on the inside. So let's open one up. We'll open up Darth Vader because it's Darth Vader. And if you guys want me to do kind of like an unboxing tutorial on how to safely take these out of the box, I will do that for you. And just let me know in the comments, you know? So even the backing of these looks really cool. So you got this cool little background right here for the Pops. And it has like all the characters. It has like R2-D2, it has Yoda, it has Darth Vader, it has a Stormtrooper. It just looks really cool. I don't know why no one wants these Pops. And the quality of these in person is super cool. So let's open this up. So the detail on these figures is actually really cool. And the pink kind of glossy color on it also looks really cool. Now on these figures right here, they have little sayings for each of them, and they're all different. So for Darth Vader, it says, "Join the heart side." So as you can see right there, it says, "Join the heart side." But look at this Pop. It just looks so good. And in person, it looks even better too. Yeah, these are so slept on right now. I don't know why no one wants these. These are so cool. I feel like maybe later on people start catching on to like how cool these things are. So that was Darth Vader. The Stormtrooper one says something pretty funny too. On the bottom of it, it says, "You're the droid I'm looking for." Yoda's, "Mine will you be?" Question mark. And then Chewbacca says, "I choose you." Got him. So, in conclusion, I think these pops right here are the most underrated pops right now. Funko did an amazing job with these. They are totally different from all the other Funko Pops. Very, very well made. I will probably give this set a point. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. They come super close to the mark. I just think that they're awesome. And I really wish I had R2-D2. So if anyone has R2-D2, let me know in the comments. I want to know what you think of the R2-D2. I'll probably be picking up the R2-D2 if it comes out in the Pop Shack or something like that, one of the mini pop stores near me. But yeah, this is a really exciting set right here, and I think everyone should have one of these. Super cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out tremendously. And also in my link, in my direct me link, I have a link to Pop in a Box where you can pre-order these. And if you have a Hot Topic near you, I would suggest hopping on to Hot Topic and picking these up, because I'm sure they're in store still. So you don't want to miss out on these. Love you guys.